On exercise 13.8, that exercise is based on volume of sphere. Volume of sphere, in case when we have calculated the area, surface area of hemisphere, surface areas of sphere, that time I have discussed the formula of volume. So we know that is a sphere having radius r, and its volume is formula, that is V equal to 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube. And if it is hemisphere, that time volume of hemisphere, that is 2/3 pi r cube. Okay, where r is the radius of sphere. Okay, students. So first question number 1 of exercise 13.8, sum number 1. Find the volume of sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter, 0.63 meter, where pi equal to 22/7. So question number 1, part 1. What have given? It is given that radius is 7 centimeter. So what is the volume? It's very easy. I hope you will be able to calculate. Just calculate and solve it and send your answer in the chat box quickly. All of you who are in the call, solve it and send your answer in the chat box quickly. Quickly answer it. Just keep it in the form of fraction. No need to convert it into decimal. Leave it in fraction form. Quickly solve it. Yes, 4312/3. Okay, 431. Rajanna, very good. Ronit Datta, very good. Amrita, very good. 5 people are typing. Samrat, very good. Sohana, okay, very good. Okay, Nafisa, Narpon, very good. Okay, so first who have answer? First 3 students answer Rajanna, Ronit and Amrita. Okay, Rajanna, Ronit and Amrita. These 3 students have answered first. Now, 7 centimeters. So what will be the volume? So volume formula, volume equal to 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube. Now, to 4 in 3, pi means 22/7, r cube means 7 into 7 into 7. Okay. Now, deduct 7 into 7 and 4 into 22 into 49 by 3. 4 into 22, that is 88. 88 into 49. 88 into 49 by 3. Now calculate it. Just 88 into 49. 88 into 49. That is 49 and 88. Yes, 4312. 4312 by 4312 by 3 centimeter cube. It is the answer. Okay, it is the answer. Okay, so very good. Next, sum part 2. When radius is 0.63. When radius is 0.63 meter, 0.63 meter, that time you have to calculate what is the volume. Do it fast and send your answer in the chat box. Okay, one student have answered. First 5 students. First Amrita. Ronit Datta, I think it is not right. Nafisa, okay. Next, Rajanna, okay. Rajanna Samrat, okay. Orpon, and Orpon, okay. Orpon, Asrafuluddin 1.04, 1.04 answer. Okay. Okay. So first 5 students who have answered, that is Amrita and Rajonna, Samrat, Orpon, and who are the second? That is wait, Ronit Dotto. Ronit Dotto first, Amrita, then Ronit, then Nafisa, Rajonna and Samrat. Okay, next time I hope those who are present next time they will answer first within first students. Okay, so let me solve that one. So 0.63 0.63 meter. So volume equal to, volume will be 4/3 pi. Pi means 22/7 and RQ means 0.63 into 0.63 into 0.63. Okay. Now cut it by 7, that will be 0.9, and if you cut it again it's then 0.3. So 4 into 22 into 0.3 into 0.63 into 0.6. Am I correct? Am I correct? Any problem is there? If I multiply it, I hope I will get 1.0478. 1.0478 in approx, that is 1.04. In approx, that is 1.04. Okay, students. So first, that is when the first in the first part r equal to 7 centimeter, and the second part when r equal to 0.63 meter is given, then the volume is 4/3 pi. By using that formula 4/3 pi r cube, the volume of that part having radius 0.63 meter is 1.04 meter cube or centimeter cube. Meter cube or meter square, what I will put here? Quickly. Meter cube, Rajana, very good. Centimeter cube, Ronit. Yes, meter cube. Okay. So I hope that question number 2 you can solve at your home. Okay, question number 2 you can solve at your home. Otherwise, I will some solution of that question will be uploaded in our YouTube channel very soon. Okay, from that video you can solve that question number 2. Now I am moving on question number 3.